While we discuss probability in detail, we'll be discussing various terminologies. I'm introducing you some of the common terms and their meaning. Commonly used terms are trial, outcome, sample space, sample point, and event. Let me explain you meaning of each of these terms. Trial is nothing but performing a random experiment. For example, throwing a die. Consider second term, outcome. In a trial, whatever comes up is called as outcome. For example, when you throw a die, the outcomes are either getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. All these are outcomes of throwing a die. Let's take third term, sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is a sample space. For example, here sample space of throwing a die is set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's move to another term, which is sample point. Each element or member of a sample space is called as sample point. For example, 1 is a sample point, 2 is a sample point. Similarly, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are sample points. Let's take last term in this list. Any possible outcome or combination of outcomes of a random experiment is called as event, that is subset of sample space. For example, getting 4 when you throw a die is an event. Getting an even number when you throw a die is also an event. Getting a prime number when you throw a die is also an event. Now you know all the terminologies of probability. We'll learn about events in detail in following session.